All right, I thought I would hop on here because I have a lot of places I need to change and update Regier Educational Services to Regier Education Incorporated. And I thought I would go and do that right now in Zoom. And going in, I'm noticing something new. So I thought I would share this with you. So I have my name and my display name. I added the she, her pronouns, but now I'm noticing I just type this in she, her, and then how would I like to share my pronouns? And can do that. And then let's see here. And then this is where I just wanted to make that change. So that is that, a quick little update that you can now add your pronouns to Zoom and indicate how you want those to be shared.